20 engineering students from Temasek Polytechnic will get to take relevant modules conducted by the Singapore University of Technology and Design. The new Through Train program is part of efforts to increase the number of pathways for poly students. Tan Se-Hui with this report.
Temasek Polytechnic School of Engineering is offering a Through Train program for students starting this year. The 4 eligible diploma courses are Electronics, Mechatronics, Biomedical Engineering and Computer Engineering. Students will be assessed on their academic grades and interview performance at the end of the second year. Once selected, they can start taking modules from the Singapore University of Technology and Design.
I get to get my bachelor degree in 3 years, which is very interesting because it's an accelerated program. I eventually hope I can get a career that I'm very passionate about and I really enjoy.
This isn't TP's first Through Train program. It also has a tie-up with the Singapore Institute of Technology for Mechatronics students, and it says they've seen increased interest in such pathways, especially in the engineering sector.
In the next few years, we are going to see a need for very unique capabilities and unique products coming out from the manufacturing sector in Singapore. So in preparation for this, the universities as well as the polytechnics are working towards preparing our students and graduates with such skills.
More of such pathways are expected to roll out in the coming years. Singapore Polytechnic also has similar tie-ups with SUTD and the National University of Singapore. One expert says this helps polytechnics increase their appeal.
There are plenty of options now as the Ministry of Education tries to diversify the education landscape and increase the number of pathways. And therefore, the polytechnics have been trying to capture the interest of secondary school leavers.
Professor Tan adds that it's encouraging to see a diversification of such pathways, which give parents and students more options to enter tertiary institutions. The Singapore Sports School is one of 2 specialized schools that offers Through Train programs. National swimmer Maximilian Ang signed up for a diploma specializing in sports and leisure management. He's now a third-year student at Republic Polytechnic.
When I take O-levels, I won't be able to train as much and I won't be able to go for overseas meets and training stints. So I chose this course because it is very sport friendly. I have seniors who took it and they told me that they are able to balance their sports and studies.
He's able to space his modules out with the help of lecturers. He also cuts down on travelling time as lessons and swim sessions are both conducted at the sports school. Eventually, he hopes to pursue his studies at a university.